Hi children, how are you all? Yes, hope all are doing so good, well. Yes. Children, tell me, can you see? Yes, can you hear? You can hear what I am telling, isn't it? So are you listening to it? Yes. So you can see me. Can you see me? Yes. Then can you jump? Can you walk? Can you move? Yes, everything you can do. Is it? Yes, just stretch your hands. Yes. Just jump. Yes. Stand. Sit. Yes. So you can move. You can see me. You can listen to me. So everything you can do. Isn't it? Can you dance? Can you sing? Yes. So children do dance. They sing. They play. So whatever we can do, any other machines can do? No, machines can't do all these things, right? Yes, so our body can do everything, isn't it? When I want to lift my hands up, I can lift. When I want to dance, I can dance. When I have to walk, can walk. I can jump. I can move. So you all can do all these things. So we can do many things with our body, isn't it? And our body, you see, different parts are there. You can see your hands, legs, head, then eyes, ears, nose, everything. So each part has its own function. All these parts has function. Hands do the work that hands can do. With legs we walk, we jump, we move. With hands we write, we hold things, we draw everything. Yes, so each part of our body has its own function. All the parts together performs the function, we say. Every part has its own duty to do, its own function to do. So our body is made up of different parts. Yes or no? Yes. Actually, cells makes up our body. Cells makes up our body. cells. Inside our body there are different kinds of cells are there. Small cells, we say. These cells make up our body, or our body is made up of cells, we say. Our body is made up of cells. 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 Cells of same kind, or these cells join together to form tissues. 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 Cells of same kind or cells join together to form tissues. Our body is made up of cells. Different cells are the cells of same kind all join together to form tissues. Tissues join together to form organs. 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 And these organs all together, many organs together form up a system. 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 And the system of our body performs the different functions for the whole body. The system together, all the system together perform the functions, do the functions of the whole body. So our body is made up of cells. Cells join together to form tissues. Tissues will join together to form different organs. We have different organs in our body. Sense organs, eyes, nose, ears are all sense organs. Inside also we have different organs. We have heart, we have liver, we have stomach inside that we cannot see. It is inside our body. So all these tissues join together to form organs. Different organs together make up a system which do the functions of the whole body. Today we are going to learn about these different systems. Which are these systems that perform the functions of our whole body? There are different systems in our body which do many functions. And today we are going to learn about these systems. Our sense organs and systems. Our sense organs and systems. So today we are going to learn about our sense organs and system of lesson 20. Lesson 20, our sense organs and systems. Okay, so our body is made up of cells. Cells join together to form tissues. Different tissues join together to form organs, and different organs combine together to form a system. So there are many systems are there in our body which do many functions for the body. We are able to breathe. When we inhale, see, when we breathe, isn't it? We are breathing. When we eat food, it is going inside to the body. What is happening, inside? Yes, these all things today we will learn. These are all worked under a system. Okay, when we see something, eyes is a sense organ. When we see something, what happens, the message, within seconds, the message is going to the brain. Brain? There is a brain in our head, isn't it? Inside our head, brain is the brain. Actually, this body's main control is our brain. The whole body's main control is brain actually. Brain is the main body doing our body's control. It is with brain actually. When we see something, message is going to the brain. When we hear something, message is going to the brain. When you touch a hot object, very hot object, suppose by mistake, when you touch, suddenly you will take your hands off, isn't it? Because it burns your hand. So when we touch a hot thing, suddenly we will take our finger or hands. Why? The message suddenly goes to brain. Brain is asking you to take the hands off. Okay, yes, so that's why I told brain is our main control of the body. Whenever we see something, whenever we hear something, we smell, we taste, when we touch, whatever we are doing, brain is controlling. When we think, when we remember, when we move, when we see, when we hear, when we play, when we dance, whatever we do, the brain controls actually. The message is going to the brain, and brain is controlling the whole body of us. Let's see how this is happening. Okay, so today we are going to learn about our sense organs and system, different systems in our body which do many functions. Okay, children? Yes, lesson 20, our sense organs and systems. Here you can see Ratika and Mihika, they are talking something. Let's see what they are telling. What do you think is the most important sense organ in our body? Yes. So she is asking, that girl is asking to that another girl, what do you think is the most important sense organ in our body? Yes, the girl is answering, I think all the sense organs are very important. Yes. So one girl is asking, which is the most important sense organ in our body? So the other girl is telling, okay, almost all the sense organs are very important, like eyes, ears, nose, skin, all are sense organs, all are very important, isn't it? Mouth, tongue, All are sense organs and all are very important. But it's most difficult to survive without eyes. So she is telling without eyes it is very most difficult. Most difficult to live without eyes, she is telling. Without eyes, we won't be able to see anything. Full of darkness it will be. So it is very difficult to live without eyes. Yes. So let's learn about the sense organs, organ systems, nervous system, skeleton system, muscular system, the digestive system, circulatory system, respiratory system, excretory system, reproductive system. So there are many systems in our body, I told, right? Yes, there are different systems our body. The system work together for the functioning of the whole body. All these systems are working together in our body, inside our body, for the body to perform functions. Okay, so let's learn each system one by one. First, the sense organs. So we are going to learn about the sense organs, that you know already about your sense organs, isn't it? Sense organs. The sense organs are windows of the brain to the outer world. See, to the outer world, the world we see. The sense organs are windows to the brain, windows of the brain. Yes, they send message to the brain through nerves. The sense organs, I told you now, whenever we see something, when we hear something, when we listen something, hear something, when we see, when we touch, when we taste, when we smell, what happens? The message is going to the brain. The sense organs are sending messages to the brain through some nerves. There are some nerves inside our body. Through that nerves, the sense organs are sending some message to the brain. The brain processes the messages to understand the kind and quality of pictures, sound, smell, taste and touch or feelings. The brain understands what it processes the image. It will do some process there. What happens? The brain actually controls what we think, we feel, how you remember, how you learn, everything. The way you move, talk, everything brain is controlling. So when we see something, when we hear something, when we touch something, when we smell something, taste something, message goes to the brain. There it undergoes some process and the message again sent back through these nerves. Even if we see pictures, if we hear a sound, or if we smell, or if we taste, if we touch, whatever we feel inside, whatever feelings, everything, the brain process it. It will understand. Then brain also decides whether they are pleasant or unpleasant. If the taste is good or not, brain will decide. Yes. So our entire body is covered with skin. Skin helps us to feel heat, cold, smooth, rough, light, heavy, soft or hard. When we touch, we can understand whether the thing is rough, soft or cool or hot, isn't it? Yes. So skin, our full body, the entire body is covered with skin. So when we touch somewhere, we can understand whether it is cool or hot object, or if it is hard or smooth object. By the touch, by the skin, we can understand. The skin actually is the largest organ we say in our body. It is the largest organ because it covers the whole body. Skin is the largest organ. And skin at the tip of the fingers is more sensitive. Tip of the fingers, you see, tip. The tip of the fingers, that skin is very sensitive. We easily, so if something happens, if it happens to touch a hot object, yes, suddenly we'll take the hands. Tip, it is so sensitive. So these messages are sending to the brain. From the brain, the message again sent back to the sense organs through some nerves. Nerves means some bundle of fibers, we say. Nerves means actually you imagine these nerves as, Nerves, nerves. Just imagine it as some electric wire, electric wire, like this. Some electric wire is there for your electrical appliances in your house, like TV, fridge, this mixie. Everything runs because of power, current, isn't it? It comes through a wire, isn't it? In your house you can see different wires where electricity passes or current comes. If you put that plug, when switch is on, then only TV works with current through the wire, isn't it? Yes, so like that, the same way you imagine. Nerves are like this electrical wires. Sense organs send message to brain through these wires, through these nerves. Then from there again this message comes back. That's why we are able to hear, see, touch, feel, move, talk, everything. Okay, children? Yes. The tongue has different areas which help us taste different things, isn't it? Tongue help us to taste different things. It has different areas. Here, tip of the tongue, sour taste, bitter taste, sweet taste. All these these areas are there here in the tongue where we can taste different things, isn't it? That already you learned. Yes, so ear, eyes, nose, tongue, skin, these are our sense organs. Yes, so our tongue has different areas of taste. To taste sour, bitter, sweet, whatever, we have different areas here on the tongue. That's why we are able to taste everything. Yes, so sense organs like eyes, ear, nose, tongue, skin, they are all our sense organs. Yes, so sense organs, they are windows of the brain to the outer world, we see. As we see things, we hear when we hear something, when we taste something, when we feel something, everything, the message is passing. Sense organ is passing the message to the brain through nerves, and from brain, message passes back. So that is the reason we are able to move, think, talk, remember, learn, everything what we are able to do. Yes. So these different systems working together, for the functioning of the whole body.